Sony is bringing support for PlayStation VR2 Sense Controller to visionOS 26. And with visionOS 26, we're enabling more ways to produce great new content, like the brand new Adobe app for visionOS, powered by Premiere, that will let you edit and preview spatial video directly in Vision Pro. We've partnered with GoPro, Insta360, and Canon to support native playback of 180, 360, and wide field of view video on visionOS.
iPadOS 26 is a giant release. This is what you've all been waiting for, a new windowing system on iPad.
When I first open an app, it shows up full screen. I can swipe home and open another, and it's still full screen. So if this is how you like to use iPad, it's just as simple as ever. But now I also have this grab handle in the bottom right to fluidly resize apps into windows. If I previously resized apps, when I open them again, they open back in the exact same size and position, and I can place them just where I want them. This is designed to work great with touch or with a trackpad. And now I also have a pointer that's more precise and responsive. When I use it to hover over these new buttons in the top left, they expand into familiar controls. I can use these to close or minimize my windows. Another way I can arrange my windows is with tiling. Since this is designed for the unique qualities of iPad, I can simply flick windows towards the edges to tile. There's even a little grabber here to resize both at the same time. If I click and hold on my window controls, I'll see even more tiling options. Let's choose quarters. I can simply swipe home to peek at my home screen. Tapping an app opens it, along with all my previous windows. To quickly see all my open windows, I now have Expose. With a swipe up from the bottom and hold, my windows spread out, and a tap brings the one I need to the front. So we're also adding a menu bar on iPad. It's always available from the top of the screen. It's arranged to be familiar, with clear, labeled options, and it's a great way to find the features you need quickly.
The new windowing architecture has enabled us to bring it to every iPad that runs iPadOS 26, including iPad and iPad mini.
We're supercharging the Files app. It now includes features like an updated list view to see more details in resizable columns and collapsible folders. It also gets the same folder customization options as macOS, with custom colors and icons that sync across devices, making it easy to spot the one you're looking for. And you can now choose which app you want to open a file with and set it as the default, like picking Photoshop, Visco, or Darkroom for opening images. For easier access to your files, you can now put folders in the dock. Simply drag any folder from the Files app right into the dock. When you tap on one, it fans out, showing the files inside. And to help you with that, we're bringing a beloved app from macOS to iPadOS, Preview. And it also includes familiar tools to edit images and export them in a variety of different formats and sizes. We're also enabling more complex workflows for working with audio and video. To help easily specify which microphone to use, we added an audio input selector. We're making voice isolation available no matter what app is being used, keeping voices clear and crisp. Local capture lets you produce amazing content with high-quality recordings right from iPad. It works with any of your favorite video conferencing apps,